talk about the pit barbecue. The band was jumping, the people too. I mess around. They're doing the mess around. They're doing the mess around.
With gas or with glass?
I thought they meant with, would you like it with a glass? And I said yes. I don't want you to just bring a bucket of water and pour it on me. So I got water with gas.
They're doing the mess around. Everybody doing the mess around. Now, when I say stop, don't you move a peg. When I say go, just shake your leg and do the mess around. I declare, do the mess around. Yeah, do the mess around. Everybody's doing the mess around. Now let me have it there, boy.
Taro and I are going to try and learn German. Guten Morgen, Taro.
Guten Morgen.
Now you got it, boy. Yeah. Oh, mess around. Go on, mess around. Mess around, boy. Now this band's gonna play from 9 to 1. Everybody here's gonna have some fun doing the mess around. Doing the mess around. They're doing the mess around. Everybody doing the mess around. Now you see that girl with that diamond ring. She knows how to shake that thing, mess around. I declare she can mess around. Mess around. Everybody do the mess around.
Preparing to do the fat cat dip.
Quit standing in the hat.